it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. Thank you so much for joining us for our weekly collaboration today. I'm so excited for this pastel challenge that we have because I don't really work with light colors. So this was very, very interesting. My pieces haven't dried yet, but I will definitely share them next week in our weekly collaboration on Thursdays. So I cannot wait to share those with you. Louise and Lori, those were some amazing pieces that y'all made. And make sure you guys stay tuned after me and check out Angela Bliss Art. She does some amazing work. And as always, if you would like to be notified when these artists post other videos, please hit the notification button on their channel so you will never miss a video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So without further ado, let's get started.
Today for our pastel challenge, I will be doing 2 blooms on 11 by 14 gallery wrapped level 3 canvases available at Michael's. I've sprayed some water to stretch it out in the back. I was going to do a swipe, but I decided to just do just a regular bloom. And here is my jumbo spinner from winterstromart.com. I will link her website and channel down below. And here is my match from fluid-art.co. I will link their website down below as well. And the pillow paint that I will be using today is PPG Multi-Pro in eggshell white and pastel base. And next we will go on to our colors that I will be using. And now I am spreading my pillow paint out. I am making sure that I have enough on. You don't want to leave too much pillow paint on because you not only risk cracking and crazing, but your cells will definitely move and become wonky or look like they're about to melt. So that's why it's important to have a good balance of pillow paint on your canvas. And here I am just spreading it out so that I have enough on the edges for my paints and pigments to flow over once I spin. And here is my first color. It is Liquitex Pink Rose or Rose Pink. It's a really pretty powder pink color. And here is this little piggy sea glass. I really love this color. It is so beautiful. And I also have Liquitex Blue Violet. It's a light powder blue color, followed by Golden Acrylic Ultramarine Violet. And I also have Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I also will be using this little piggy frost. It is a nice icy blue color, as well as Liquitex Aqua Green. And I also have this little piggy Whitehaven. It's a neutral white color for shimmer, and it goes well with any color. So here I am layering my first layer. All of my paints are mixed with 3 parts Valspar Untinted High Gloss Base C to 1 part Varathine Triple Thick Water-Based Gloss Varnish. I will have the recipe listed down below. And the cell activator that I will be using for this bloom is my Atelier Titanium White, followed by Amsterdam Persian Rose. I will let y'all enjoy the rest of this process. I had a lot of fun with this color palette. It's not as bold as the color palettes that I normally use, but it was nice, and I really loved the lacing effect that I got from the white and the Persian Rose cell activators. So yeah, here you have it, and I will meet you guys back for bloom number 2. Y'all, here are the wet results of my first bloom. Next, I will show you what I did with bloom number 2. Here is bloom number 2. I'm using again a 11 by 14 gallery wrapped canvas, but I will be using 3 different cell activators. I'm using Amsterdam Lamp Black, Amsterdam Persian Rose, and Atelier Titanium White. And my pillow paint is the same. It's the PPG Multi-Pro Eggshell White and Pastel base. I'm spreading it around again to make sure I don't have too much in the center to where my cells will move. And I kept the same color palette, so the layering of the color and all the colors are the same as they were in the first bloom. And excuse the mess, but I did the first bloom and then I immediately did this one right after. I felt like I added too much pillow paint to this, so I am stretching it out a bit. And as I mentioned before, I will have all of my recipes along with all the colors that I use listed down below. My pigments I use are this little piggy pigments. I absolutely love them, so I will have fluid-art.co's website down below. And also, if you would like to learn more about the Shelee Art Blooms, I highly recommend that y'all sign up for the Shelee Art E-Course. I will have that link as well as my coupon code listed down below, where you can save 15% by using Shelee Art 15AG. And also, if you want to learn more about acrylic pouring and other acrylic pouring techniques or paint pouring techniques, as well as the famous Rinskadowna Dutch Bloom, y'all can sign up for the Smart Art courses. I will have that link down below. Those courses are amazing, and you will get instruction from Molly Leach, Rinskadowna, and Olga Sobi. They are amazing. I highly recommend that course as well if you want to make your art grow. And you can also save $10 by using my coupon code AMBER10. So I will have both links down below, and I will let y'all enjoy the rest of the process. And let me know what you guys think of the different cell activators that I used today. I would love to know what y'all think, and I appreciate you guys so much. So yeah, here you go, and I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the process. So here is the wet result of bloom number 2. I did both blooms on Wednesday because I came back from the Fluid Art Boutique from Santa Fe, New Mexico, Tuesday night. So I didn't have time to let these dry. But here's a side-by-side comparison. Please let me know in the comments what y'all think of both of these blooms as far as the lacing and the cell activator is concerned. But yeah, there you have it, and they do have a lot of shimmer.
Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. My piece that I made with the black Persian rose and white cell activator had a lot of pillow paint, so my cells moved around and I ended up scraping it. So I will definitely redo that before sharing the dried results next week. But here is the white and Persian rose cell activator. It's still not dry in the center, but just look at that. I cannot wait to resin this. I hope y'all can see the shimmer here. The lighting is terrible in this room, but yeah, here you have it. The cells stayed really cool, and I learned a lot of tips and tricks from Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, so thank you so much. That really helped, so highly recommend those in-person classes. And up next is Angela Bliss Art. Make sure y'all hop onto her channel, and until next time guys, stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome. Have a good one. Bye.